Ba-da-la-do, ba-da-la-do. Dee-dee-la-dee, ba-da-la-dee, da-da-do, ba-da-la-do, da-dee-da-la-da-do.
Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new Jon Renau wig from their Spring 2015 collection. This one is called Katherine, and the color on Katherine is 6F27, also known as caramel ribbon. Now, I'm gonna just tell you up front, I sold a ton of these when we first started carrying these. And by and large, most people really loved it. But I got a handful of people who told me that, they thought that it didn't look anything like the manufacturer photos, and, that they were just kind of disappointed with it. One even went as far as to saying, and because I do pay attention to your email feedback, one customer even went as far as to saying she didn't think that this was going to be a style that would look good on anyone. And let me tell you, I kind of disagree with a lot of that. Like, I do. I honestly disagree with a lot of some of the harsh criticism that this wig has gotten. For one, I think that this looks pretty much just like the manufacturer photos. I just took the tag off of this one. I have not done anything to it. I haven't brushed it. All I've done is kind of fluff the ends with my fingers a little bit. But I mean, I haven't even combed this or washed it or anything. I think it looks just like the manufacturer photos. But one thing I'll tell you it doesn't look like is Heidi.
Oh, the bells are ringing for me and my gal. The birds are singing for me and my gal. Everybody's been knowing to a wedding we're going, and for weeks they've been sewing. Ever Susie and Sal, they're congregating for me and my gal. The parson's waiting for me and my gal. And someday I'm gonna build a little home for 2, 3, or 4, maybe more in Love Land for me and my gal. What a beautiful day for a wedding in May. See the people all stare at that lovable pair. She's a vision of joy, and he's the luckiest boy in their wedding array. Hear him smilingly say,
this is not the open-capped doppelganger for the Heidi wig, and I think that's where a lot of the confusion may have come from. I think a lot of people were assuming that this, since Scarlett is obviously kind of like the open-capped doppelganger to the Julianne wig by Jon Renau, that maybe Katherine is, the doppelganger of Heidi. They're not even close. They're not even, similar. For one thing, the curl pattern on Katherine is more like a big barrel curl than it is a, beachy kind of spiral wave. And if you look at the review of either Julianne or of Scarlett, you'll see what I mean. Those are obviously spiral curls that are just loose. This, on the other hand, is much more voluminous. It's much more bouncy and full. And so the wig flares out right around here, right around the mid-face. So it's sleek up at top, and it flares right around here. That is problematic for anyone who, like me, may have a soft jawline. Now, I can get away with a lot, and people comment on this all the time too. They're like, you look good in everything. And I think part of that's just because I was blessed with a decent chin, aside from the fact that I have like 4 of them. But at least the main one is prominent, and so that kind of helps. But if your whole jaw area is soft, stay away from this wig, because it flares out at the bottom in a way that's just gonna add more volume to a problem area, and it's not gonna be good. It's gonna be no bueno. But if you don't have that problem, and you're looking for something feminine and curly that looks just like the manufacturer photos, I think this wig does the trick. I think that it looks beautiful on, and for me personally, if it had a little bit more body up at the top, it'd be perfection. But then again, that's just because I have, this soft jaw here. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, because I wanted to make you aware of some of the criticism that I've heard, let's talk about some of the good points. This wig is a beautiful length. It is an absolutely beautiful length, And it's basically the same length all the way around, more or less. I mean, it's not, that's another difference between this wig and the Heidi wig. Heidi has a gradient to it. The front is the longest part, and then the back is shorter. This wig is also not as long as Heidi. Heidi is a little bit longer in the front. It hits right around here on me when I wear her. So that's something to be aware of too. If you're thinking that these are analogous wigs, you know, that they're similar, they're not. They're completely different animals. So let's talk some specs, shall we? Katherine weighs 4.2 ounces, which, you know, is a little bit on the heavy side for a wig that is this length and with this hair density on top, but it's still not unmanageable. The open cap will help a lot for helping the wig breathe. The front is 5 inches, so that is, and I think they're talking about this right here, which is almost like a bang. It's made to be swept off to the side, though you could always have a stylist trim it or cut a fringe bang into it. I wouldn't go blunt bang with this particular style. This one would definitely work better with the fringe bang. The crown down is 12 inches, so it's quite long. These sides are 11 inches, so about the same length. And the nape, which will give you an indication of the overall length of the wig, is 10 inches. So again, it's roughly the same length all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my head in the sunshine so you can see what this lovely 6F27 looks like in bright light. And I'll do my little turn on the catwalk at the same time so you can see Katherine from all angles. So I don't know if you can tell in the bright sunshine here, but this 6F27 is a really luscious color. The number 6 in the Jon Renau line has a lot of very beautiful warmth to it without turning red or gold. And then the highlight shade is that soft kind of light auburn color that Jon Renau does so well. And that's the ribbon in the caramel ribbon. It's just a very beautiful color. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Katherine off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Katherine has a 100% machine-made, open wefted, open cap. Has a extended felt nape with the Velcro adjusters in the back. Quite a bit of stretch here at the perimeter, which is very nice. Has very nice felt here right at the ear tab. Has a very beautiful lace front, which I'll show you again when I put the wig back on. And has permatease right here at the top in kind of a spade pattern. And very good seaming. Jon Renau usually does a really good job with the seams here at the front. Most of the permatease, by the way, is going to be concentrated right here at the tippy top of the crown. Beautiful, beautiful wig. I love Jon Renau wigs. And here is what that curl pattern looks like up close. As you can see, these are not those boho beachy waves. These have not been combed or anything. They've just been fluffed with my fingers. So this is literally an out-of-the-box review. And you can see that these are definitely more like relaxed barrel curls or like super duper duper big spirals maybe, but they're not the same kind of curl that you would get with Heidi, Julianne, or Scarlett. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back on my head now. Make sure the ear tabs are flat up against the sides of my head. I'm going to zoom in on this lace front for you. Now the only thing I will say that's kind of like a negative about Jon Renau wigs sometimes is that their lace fronts can be a little bit on the sparse side. This one seems alright though. There's that. And there's what the top of this one looks like. You can see it still has that zigzag part that the manufacturer put in. But see all that permatease. It's a very light amount of permatease actually for an open capped wig. A lot of open capped wigs tend to just go way overboard and be like super poofy on top. But that's not the case with these Jon Renau wigs. It's basically a minimal amount of permatease here on this one. So that about does it for Katherine, which is a newer wig from Jon Renau, and the color on this again has been the luscious 6F27, also known as Caramel Ribbon. Thank you for watching. My name's Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. Check out my web store if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous afternoon. Bye-bye.
There's no one to walk with, all by myself. No one to talk with, but I'm happy on the shelf. Ain't misbehaving, I'm saving my love for you. I don't stay out late, no place to go, and I'm home about 8, just me